Hi friends, today we will learn how to make text background in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make text background in this presentation. Click the text, then resize the box, then move the box some up, then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then apply text background as a fill or color, solid color or gradient color. Now we apply the solid color. Click the shape fill drop down menu, then choose any shape fill color. Otherwise you can use gradient color. Go to the gradients option and then go to the more gradient, then check mark on the gradient fill, then make gradient color. Click the color pen and choose color. Now I am select the gradient color to use this pen. You can use picture on the background. Again go back the shape fill option and choose the picture. Then choose picture from our file. Now we select a picture and insert it. Then we can see we make text background as a picture or shapes or gradient background. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.